Hey guys, this is your boy Mr. Luke Evan Brooks. Before we start, I just wanted to do this commentary behind the scene. This video, for some reason, not because of the nature of the video, it's just due to how this video was processed, has been the toughest video that I have actually had to do. So, move this mic a little bit closer. So what I had to do is to go ahead and load up the video, and then we're going to do back commentary. That way everyone can see what's going on. So let's go ahead and get this going. What up, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Luke Evan Brooks, and welcome to another edition of Cooking with Luke and Friends. Now, this is a special series that I'm doing. I went to Thailand, and I really got to explore the area. Not just that we're talking about food, but we're talking about the culture. We're talking about the health. We're talking about all the things that people want to know about Thailand. Now, I need you to subscribe. It's important that you subscribe because on this special series, I'm going to be uploading for 30 days content that's going to really get you energized. So it's very critical that you do that. Now, I'm going to show you the different foods that they have, what I was eating, all that good stuff that you want to know. And I'm going to keep it real with you. I'm going to be 100 with you, as they say. So you don't want to miss out. Now, the best way to do this is to go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the show. And as we say, we're about to get this thing cracked. So,
You talking about?
I said you must come out with it.
I ain't got no one.
So guys, if you're jumping into the middle of this program, of this channel, this is the interview with Miss Katie. She is a cook at the Thai restaurant Tea Leek in Pattaya, downtown Pattaya, right outside of Walking Street. We did 2 videos, and she's got a long interview of what she's talking about, but this one is a little bit more darker in detail of what I experienced here living in the Middle East and what she has heard and what she has witnessed, because she's lived in the Middle East herself for some time.
Mama said they had a bacteria in
Don't worry about that. I'll delete that from the video. I'm recording it as we speak. I am eating.
This is not going to make you fat.
I know it ain't gonna make you fat.
Also, guys, the reason why the camera's moving up and down, people are just like, why are your camera? Why can't you focus on the camera? Because it's not a regular camera. It's a camera in the glasses, right? So it's first person perspective. I got my glasses over my head. So we're talking. So just pay attention to the conversation, not looking, because we're not really doing anything. You're only going to see some of the food. We're not like touring, looking at stuff that's coming up. So just please bear in mind when you're watching these videos. Don't forget to go ahead and get some thumbs up and subscribe.
It does got some spice to it.
What?
Yeah.
This spicy?
Yeah, it's got spice in it.
Just one piece. Just one piece. It's not too spicy, Luke.
Wow. Crazy. It's busy out here tonight.
Huh?
Busy tonight.
Oh, really?
I'm seeing the popcorn.
Last night was like quiet because it's raining.
Yeah, I seen that.
Hold on. Hey guys, see who's here today?
Cooking with Luke and Friends. Cooking with Luke and Friends.
So, see, we met in Japan. How long? 2, 3 years?
3 years.
And I just met him again. And you know, he made me mad.
work longer too on Friday and Saturday hit, right? Isn't that the busiest?
That's why it's
What time does the place close?
11:30.
On weekends too?
Hmm?
On weekends?
Yeah.
Shit, y'all should stay open, like at least
It depends. Sometimes if we have customers, we open at 2
yeah, cause I figure like the club is right outside Walking Street. People come over here, and they'd be like, "Hey, let me go over here and get me something to eat." And food ain't bad. Food's good.
Yeah, about that food, I'm not kidding you on there. I have another video about the oysters I ate, and I'm gonna give a back commentary on that too, because this later on eating some oysters, I just gotta say I got food sick. Okay, I'm gonna leave it that way. I'm gonna get this video pushed through.
I think it's pretty amazing. We got the sweet and spicy stuff going on here. Got the veggie rolls, right? You got the fish. So we got all this stuff right here and more. So some great food here. This is the real food. You know, it's healthy. It's not gonna mess up your stomach like them oysters I had. And I mean, it's really amazing.
Don't tell me that you got 2 classes. That's what I'm telling you. Can you listen to the music too?
Yeah, this records. He was like, when are we gonna record? I said, we're recording now. Don't worry, I gotta edit it.
You know what? And that dude, he had exactly the same kind of glasses, but he had like a speaker on.
Oh man, see, I don't need no speaker.
Yeah, and he said, he gave it to me, and he told me that like, come check this out. I said, oh yeah, speaker on your glasses. He said, yeah. And I said, where you buy it? He said, about 29 cents. I said, that's cool.
Got these on Amazon. I mean, you can't see anything. Only thing you can see the little green light. I taped that to the side so I can.
How much is it?
I think $49.
But he said the one that he got, he said $200.
Yeah, because it's doing. Actually, you probably got like an Apple glasses. These are just like regular recording glasses. Like I could change out the lenses from shades to glasses. But the only thing is, like this light here is good.
He didn't say you can record it, but it's like
Oh, they're like Bluetooth
they
glasses.
have like Bluetooth glasses.
But mine's just recording, like, as we talk. And then I change out the power cell from right here.
That's
So,
cool.
yeah. That's how I'm catching all the footage out here, so I can be like, let me record this.
Yeah.
Why don't you come to my shop? I need a massage. I don't need a massage. What you talking about? I said, where'd you work at? Like a hair salon?
Massage it.
Yeah, and I was like, no, I'm good.
What kind of massage?
That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking the same thing. I'm like, no, I'm good. I'm
And the
good.
Arab people like that.
Yeah, I see that all the time in Bahrain.
Yeah, Bahrain, Dubai, they have many ladyboards.
Yeah.
But they taste like ooh.
So what we're talking about right here is about ladyboys. So if you go back, and I know I keep giving y'all references back. That's why I tell you, make sure you subscribe to this channel. That's a lot of videos that I've been dropping over my experience being in Thailand. A lot of people, well, you're not talking about all about food. I state that at the beginning. It's not just about the food. It's about the culture. It's about the experience being in Thailand, because you just don't want to just be narrow-minded and just look at one thing. And we talked about the ladyboy encounter that I experienced in Thailand. And when I say experience, like what? And it wasn't to a point like a crying game or anything like that. But she knows some stuff, and she's about to drop the beans. So pay attention, guys. If you got to turn the volume up, turn the volume up.
Yeah, man.
They have to hide because it's illegal for them to do this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, like, man.
If they get caught.
Shit
Then
crazy.
you guys can
Yeah.
then
It's crazy.
that's what I heard about. They see if they get caught
Mhm.
with their positive.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true.
They're going to rip that to everything today.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's not only one people rape, it's more than
Crazy.
one.
Yeah, that shit was fucking crazy.
So that's why especially the lady boy. But in Bahrain, if they caught you, that you come there, go there, working at a park. You know, many
They
people
get your ass out of there. Yeah. I thought they fly you out.
They take you to the police station.
Yeah, no saying.
Beat you up, and then they take you to the
airport.
ocean and throw them.
Oh, I didn't know about all that.
It's the truth.
So you didn't catch that, guy. She's basically saying that if they catch you doing like a homosexual act, for example, or whatnot, they are going to arrest you, beat you up. You may not even make it to the airport. She said they may throw you out into the ocean, which when I was looking up some stuff that happened, not to be trying to fact check her stuff, because I mean, she's from the country. I know her rep. They actually did say that. It was like, whoa. And I know they don't play that out here, like in the strict Muslim countries, they don't play any of that. So you're caught doing any of that or any type of thing where it's like, if you're not married and you are actually messing around with someone, you get caught, they're getting that for you and that woman. More like they're going to treat the woman tougher. It's going to be lashings, beatings, things like that.
Oh, for homosexuality, because yes, it goes against the Muslim code. Yeah. It's a Muslim country. Yeah, because I know that they were telling me that some of the Thai girls a few years ago when they had that whole situation that took place on the base. Let me get her attention. I'm going to get me some water. Let me get some water. Yeah, I just want to get a bottle of water.
Why you take your shoes off?
My feet hurt. They do.
Why you feet hurt?
I was jump roping. I jump rope, workout. I don't care. Anyway, back on the story. They ship them out where they get caught. And they fly them out back here. It's still big out there in Bahrain.
They do, but before they fly you out, they do like shit to you.
I don't know. I mean, you know
Nobody
more than I
knows the
did.
truth. Nobody knows the truth. Only the person who gets caught.
So you know someone got caught. They came back
That
to
is
Thailand.
caught.
What they do to them?
They rape them.
The women? Oh shit. That's crazy.
And if they get pregnant, they don't care about raise the guy, but they stand on the guy's side. But they say it's the woman's fault, and they put the woman in.
You don't talk about like if they doing prostitution. You're saying
Yeah.
they can get caught prostituting. Okay.
They do rape them.
Oh,
Because
wow.
they say they're not worried.
I believe that. I do believe it.
They do?
But the thing that tripped me out though is the Saudis will fly in, or drive in, across the border. And I remember staying in a hotel and I seen a girl look like she was scared for her life, like looking at me like crying and shit. I was like, what the fuck? Like,
Yeah.
and the elevator was closed.
They beat them and then they rape them. And they cannot say anything. If they had to say something,
Yep. I seen it where the girls will say, I gave this guy some money to take care of my visa and he run off with the money too. The visa money for the they gotta renew their visa. And they be hot. They're mad right now because the thing is, the ships ain't coming in there anymore because everything's changed. It's not like it was 4 or 5 years ago where you had all the Navy ships come in. They don't do that no more.
So what I'm talking about in this content, in this video here, is that basically with the whole aspect of what has changed in this region, you don't have a lot of ships coming in like it used to be back in the 90s and the 2000s, things like that. So it's saturated, right? If you want to look at it as a business standpoint, the market is saturated. You got a lot of girls who are trying to get a customer. And I know a few of them, right? You know, I know friends and stuff like that. And they tell me, they're like, hey, like, I need help, this and that. It's like they always coming short. Now, I don't know if that's some type of hustle, but they all saying the same song. And what it is that one of two things. They either not out at the clubs trying to get a customer. They're doing it the lazy way, going on Tinder or whatever to try to get someone to come to them. Or the people there, they used to go to, like a Pattaya used to come here in Bahrain. That's like 5,000 plus sailors, right? And they pulling in often with other ships company. That's a lot of people. So it booms the economy, and it booms the economy everywhere, even the red light district. So what I've been looking at and what I've seen going back to when I first got to Bahrain back in 2011 versus now, it's saturated right there. And a lot of them are just like struggling, like talking about they living on the street and stuff like that. But I haven't seen anyone live on the street out here. So I don't know if they, pulling my foot on that one, try to pull my heartstrings. But I could tell you that the market is saturated. So just to give you guidance on that.
You know, war's over. All that shit's going to Russia. And now that's dried up right there. So then you gotta wait the weekend for the Saudis to come in. And you're not gonna get all the Saudis, because some of them, you know, and the remnants of the Americans and the other nations, and of course the Indians. But if they got the money, if they have the money, they don't. You got Americans, and then you got the GCC people, like people flying in from Dubai, people coming from Saudi Arabia, Kuwait. They're the ones gonna be able to get that money what they need. Cause they be like, I need 40 BD, I need 80 BD. I'm like, you need that fucking much money? Unless the person like, I got the money to spill, I don't care. I seen some shit in Dubai too. That was nasty. I ain't see it in person, I seen it on Twitter. I won't mention that at the table. It was just like, you go over there and say, well, I'm like Instagram. You heard of Instagram, of course.
So guys, I
And
hope that you
Instagram
enjoy the content that I've given you. And if you do, please guys, please, I need your help. I need you to go ahead and subscribe and give me thumbs up. It all helps. YouTube looks at everything that you do, especially when you give me thumbs up for my content. Now, there's going to be more videos. We're at our second half again, guys. Our second half, I have 15 more videos that I basically going to have to do. And Thailand is not over with. Now, they may be like, hey, where's the action at? The second half is going to have a lot more action than what you're seeing. It's going to have a lot more commentary, too, because there's a lot of things that I did that I didn't talk about while I was on the street. So that's what I'm preparing for you guys. And, oh, guys, by the way, this is called Cooking with Luke and Friends. Luke and Friends, I have a cookbook. Just look right over here. There's a cookbook right here. Make sure you guys check out the cookbooks. I'm going to cut it short here because you already know the spiel. Make sure you subscribe. Again, drop your comments down below. If you like the content that I'm talking about, go ahead and give me some thumbs up. Tell me if you don't like the performance of the video quality. I mean, to me, that's my first time using a headset. I think when I go back to Thailand, I'm going to use a different part of equipment. I think the headset works, but only for certain situations. So, talk to you later, guys. Take care.